Hey, you guys, it's Double Moms, and in today's episode, we're going to take a look at VIVOPOWER International PLC, ticker symbol VVPR, an exclusive heads of agreement extension for merger finalization play. Before we begin, if you haven't already subscribed, folks, hit that subscribe button and set notifications on so you don't miss any episodes, and like and share. Also, let me begin by saying we are not financial or stock advisors, and we are not giving stock or financial advice. This episode is for entertainment purposes only. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Hey! Always do your own due diligence. Now, if you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description. We pick a lot of bangers a lot of times. We called for 100% plus runners for our private Discord members today, July 2nd, 2024, and here they are. ANVS was called pre-market in our private Discord today before it ran up 137%. And OPTT was also called pre-market today before it ran up 120%. And RDZN was called pre-market today for our private Discord members before it ran up 101%. And of course, VVPR, the stock we're reviewing in this video, was called early this morning before it ran up 100% in after hours and was a late addition to our runners list today. We're just made different, folks. This is what we do. And the early bird gets the cash. By the way, we've also included a link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and 400 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we read candlestick patterns, how we read key levels, how we use those critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you'll succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what's been working for us. So let's get right into it with VIVOPOWER International PLC, ticker symbol VVPR, which is headquartered in London, England. It is a publicly traded NASDAQ solar technology company with a $4.71 million market cap and 108 employees. VIVOPOWER International PLC, together with its subsidiaries, operates as a sustainable energy solutions company in Australia, Canada, the Netherlands, the United Kingdom, the United States, the Philippines, and the United Arab Emirates. It operates through critical power services, electric vehicles, sustainable energy solutions, and solar development segments. The company was founded in 2014. Now, let's take a look at VVPR's most recent news. On July 2nd, 2024, the company announced today that its electric vehicle subsidiary, Tembo ELV BV, has agreed to a one-month extension of its exclusive heads of agreement with NASDAQ-listed Cactus Acquisition Corporation 1 to July 31st, 2024. Now, this extension is intended to provide additional time to finalize the definitive business combination agreement for an $838 million merger with Cactus Acquisition. Now, the price action on VVPR's stock was pushed upward today 100% in after hours with this news. And this could potentially keep the price moving upward tomorrow if more volume or a news catalyst comes in. Now, it's also worth noting that the float on VVPR stock is just 1.3 million. This is a micro float stock. The volume of shares traded today was 4.3 million. A continuation in price increase is possible. We will be keeping an eye on it. As we said, folks, if you want access to our private Discord so you can get our pre-market picks early, the link is in the description. We pick a lot of bangers a lot of times. We are just made different, and the early bird gets the cash. By the way, we've also included that link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and 400 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we read candlestick patterns, how we read key levels, how we use those critical indicators, how we determine our entry and our exit points on trades, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you'll succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what's been working for us. In conclusion, VIVOPOWER International PLC, VVPR, is a publicly traded NASDAQ solar technology company which has announced a 1-month extension to an agreement which will allow more time for its subsidiaries' merger with an acquisition company. VVPR is a company we will be watching. Now, with the right increase in volume, we believe it could be conducive for momentum parabolic day scalp trading. Now, will VVPR run parabolic? It will need volume, but who knows for sure? Of course, we would need to see that continued volume before we actually scalp trade this stock. This is not advice, and we are not pros, folks. It's just my opinion, and I will have VVPR on my watch list. This is Double Moms, and I'll see all of you again on the flip side.